There it is. Man, that took a hot minute. Holy crap.
Take action when you see symptoms of heat exhaustion and heat stroke. The following is a heat advisory.
That took a hot minute. Holy crap.
For the following county: Stevenson, Illinois. What? Service has issued severe thunderstorm watch number 534, effective until 1 a.m. Monday. This watch includes the following counties in Illinois: Boone, Bureau, Carroll, Cook, DeKalb, DuPage, Grundy, Kane, Kankakee, Kendall, LaSalle, Lake, Lee, Livingston, Marshall, McHenry, Ogle, Stevenson, Whiteside, Winnebago, and Lake, Indiana, and the following: Winter Harbor to Wilmette Harbor, Illinois; Wilmette Harbor to Northerly Island, Illinois; Northerly Island to Calumet Harbor, Illinois; Calumet Harbor, Illinois to Gary, Indiana; and Gary to Burns Harbor, Indiana; and the following counties in Wisconsin: Greene, Kenosha, Rock, and Wauwers. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to Noaa Weather Radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. This is Noaa's Weather Radio, KZZ 57 in Rockford. Severe weather is occurring or forecast to occur in our listening area. Severe weather alarm storms for Winnebago, Stevenson, and Lee counties in Illinois, as well as Rock and Greene counties in Wisconsin. Standard broadcasts will be curtailed to bring you the latest severe weather information. This is Noaa's Weather Radio, KZZ 57 in Rockford. Severe weather is occurring or forecast.
I was waiting for the scanner to say the watch, but I think it already did.